guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very special occasion today. I say this quite often, but I'm very bad at makeup and I don't know what I'm doing, so every technique and color and basically everything that I do is probably incorrect. But I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look that I did on my face. Anyways, without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it. I just got out of the shower and I have a bunch of products here on my bed. I'm not really sure what kind of makeup look I'm going for, but we're just gonna see. Hopefully you guys can bear with me. The very first thing I do when I get ready is I put my hair up because I don't want it getting all over my face. I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm looking in the viewfinder right now and I most definitely look bald, but it's cool. For eyes, I think I'm going to be using the Dream Street palette, and I got this for Christmas. For those of you guys that haven't seen it, it's by Kathleen Lights. Super pretty. As you can see, I'm going to be wearing a navy blue dress today, so I think I'm going to be going with somewhat cooler tones for my eyes, maybe mix in some blue. The very first color I'm going to be using is this color right here. I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelid. Okay, I think I want to deepen up my crease a little bit, so I'm going to be using this purple shade right here, and I'm just going to be putting this in my V thing. I'm not really sure what it's called, but I think you guys know what I'm talking about. I do want to add in a little bit of blue, but I don't like to make my eyes too crazy, so I think I'm going to be using this dark teal over here and then putting this in the very, very, very corner of my eye, like right here, and then drag it into my lower lash line. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that from here, but it looks pretty good up close. The only thing that I would say is that you can only really see it when I close my eyes. Like from afar, you can't really tell, so I'm going to be putting some eyeshadows a little bit higher up above to help blend everything out and make everything look more put together and more noticeable overall. The blending shade that I'm using is this color here. Once again, I'm going to be taking this blue shade because I feel like I lost it a little bit when I was grabbing the other colors. The next thing I do, weirdly enough, is I do my eyebrows, because I say this every time I do makeup videos, but my eyebrows themselves are not there pretty much, and it bothers me when they're not filled in. I do use an eyeshadow to fill in my eyebrows because I feel like it looks more natural, so I'm going to be taking this brush from the Naked 2 palette and the dark brown eyeshadow that I always use and filling in my eyebrows. You guys can see the technique I use. It's pretty self-explanatory. My eyebrows look very bad right now in general, just the shape, because I haven't plucked them in a really long time, but yeah. They look a little bit harsh on camera, but I swear in person they're not too bad. I do normally have a spoolie brush, but I lost it, so I'm improvising with my finger right now to help blend stuff out. Next thing I do is grab some eyeliner. This is the Sephora liquid eyeliner in brown. I thought the brown would complement the blue eyeshadow a little bit better, so I'm going to be using this and lining my eyes. I'm very bad at using eyeliner, but hopefully it'll look okay for this video. Can't really tell on camera, but I did do a little bit of a wing. Normally I'll do eyeliner or mascara. I don't usually do both because it looks really harsh on the eyes for some reason. The next thing I'm going to be using is blush because I like to add a little bit of color to my cheeks. This is the only blush palette that I use, and it's the Love Flush Too Faced palette. I used this in a video before, I'm pretty sure. But today I'm going to be taking the Baby Love shade because it's super neutral and it almost brings out my non-existent tan that I have right now. Applying it on the apples of my cheeks like so. The next thing I'm going to be using today is some highlighter because I want my cheeks to be poppin'. This is the Anastasia Glow Kit, which is the mirror that I've been using this whole video. Which, if you couldn't tell, is the mirror I've been using this whole video. But I'm going to be taking the shade White Sand and applying this right here, here, and then on the tip of my nose. know if you can tell on camera, but my skin is breaking out a little bit over here. I'm going to be taking the Naked Skin by Urban Decay and putting some concealer on here and a little bit of powder to cover that up. This, by the way, is the best concealer I've ever used. It's so good. I know I say this about every concealer, but especially this one. Then I'll be taking this Urban Decay pressing powder and applying this to where I applied the concealer just to set everything. And now that I'm at it, I might as well set everything else that I put on my face. Put some powder here in my T-zone just to make sure that I don't sweat at all. The final thing that I'm going to be doing is putting on some lip gloss. Honestly, I think lip gloss completes any makeup look. Same thing wiped off, but I think it's in the shade Moonchild, so I'm going to be taking this and applying it to my lips. That is the completed makeup look. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with my hair yet. To be honest, I also would show you guys how I'm doing my hair. I think I'm going to be blow drying it and maybe curling it a little bit at the ends, but my camera is about to die as it usually is because the battery sucks. So I'm just going to leave this here. I hope you guys enjoy this Get Ready With Me. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye! Mwah.